drawing my subscribers as cats.
Can you draw me as a cat with taiyaki fish bread hat?
Make sure to watch Dot until the end. Don't forget to like and Dot subscribe.
Can you draw me as a tuxedo cat making a video?
Comment how you want to look as a cat. What do you think is cuter, dogs or cats?
I want to be drawn as a cat that's a dentist.
Make sure your Dot subscriptions are public. Who's next?